Hi, today we're going to learn about long division. Long division often used in limit, differentiation, integration, and much more. Long division include two things, which are the first one is quotient and the other is remainder, which can be written as Qx and Rx. So, what is the remainder and what is the quotient? So, let's see this equation where we learn it in primary school. 200 divided by 11. So from equation 200 divided by 11, we're going to have 1 and then 8. So 18 is the answer and we're going to have 2 as the extra. So 18 is the quotient and 2 is the remainder. Remember, this all equation is just the general of long division. Long division actually involves functional equation and algebraic equation. So let's see the question of px equal to 8x to the power of 3 plus 4x plus 3. So from this equation we need to find q, the quotient, and the remainder. So what we're going to do, we need to the px, the question given px need to be divided by 2x minus 1. Therefore the px is 8x to the power of 3 plus 4x plus 3 divided by 2x minus 1. So just like the equation before, like the question before, we put all the number of degree from the highest to the lowest: x to the power of 3, x to the power of 2, x to the power of 1, and then x to the power of 0, which is 1, so we doesn't need to write it down, so just erase it. Okay, and then don't forget to put 2x negative 1 so we can long division efficiently. So see from the equation, add x to the power of 3, so we just put 8 over there, and there is no x to the power of 2, so 0, and then 4, and lastly 3. So therefore, how do we do this? Let's see 2x on the in front and then 8x to the power of 3. So what we're going to do, we need to make the 2x to become 8x to the power of 3. Then therefore we need to time 2x to any number, so it's going to become 8x to the power of 3, which is 4x squared. You get the main idea here. So let's see what we're going to do. Okay, 2x to become 8x to the power of 3, so we need to time it with 4x squared, which is going to make it 8x to the power of 3 plus negative 4x squared. Then we're going to differentiate all the equation, and then we're going to have positive 4x squared. We doesn't need to write down the positive actually, so erase it. Put the 4x to the bottom of it, and then 4x2 plus 4x. We're going to make 2x to become 4x to the power of 2. So we need to time it with positive 2x. So we're going to have 4x to the power of 2 minus 2x. So different all it. So we're going to have 6x. Put the 3 on the bottom, so we have 6x plus 3, and then 2x to become 6x is 3, so 6x plus 3. Then we different all the equation, and then it should be negative 3, so different the whole equation under below. We're going to have it as 6. So therefore the answer is the qx, and the bottom one is the remainder, which is rx. Then write it down. Rx equal to 6, and then qx equal to 4x squared plus 2x plus 3. Going forward to the next one, remainder theorem. There are a lot of ways to explain remainder theorem, but an easy way is substitute all x into the number given. So if there is no number but only root, so make it equal to 0 and then do the mathematics. Therefore, for example, 2x minus 1, then we equal it to 0 and then do the math, which we're going to get x equal to 1 over 2. So if the fx equal to 2x plus 1, and then we just put the 1 over 2, so 1 over 2 plus 1, and then we're going to have it 2. So what is 2 actually? 2 is actually the remainder, or we can put it as rx. Also written it as rx equal to 2. Now let's see the question. The question given is, we need to find p 1 over 2 by using remainder theorem, which is p 1 over 2 equal to the remainder. So copy the equation, which is 8x to the power of 3 plus 4x plus 3, and then p 1 over 2, just substitute 1 over 2 into all the x, so we're going to have like this. One over 2 to the power of 3 is 1 over 8, so we just written it there, and then 4, 2, so we're going to have it 2 plus 3. 8 is 1 plus 2 plus 3, we're going to have it as 6. Therefore the remainder rx, will be 6. That's all. Thank you.